Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A 60 megawatt site received curtailment orders from the grid operator on high wind days. The operator complied immediately and curtailed to the requested limit. Month-end analysis showed the site had been curtailed 12% more than the grid ordered. For example, the grid ordered 50 megawatts maximum, and the site delivered 44 megawatts. This happened repeatedly, and over 6 months, the site curtailed by 215,000 euros. Why did this happen? The dispatcher interpreted limit 50 megawatts as stay safely below 50 megawatts and set an internal cap at 44 megawatts. Conservative, safe, and expensive. The grid operator would have accepted the full 50 megawatts. Curtailment orders are often vague, and the grid may say limit to 50 megawatts without specifying tolerance. Operators assume they must stay below 50 megawatts with a margin for safety, so they set internal limits at 46 to 48 megawatts. That 2 to 4 megawatt gap over hundreds of curtailment hours becomes significant money. Operators fear penalties because exceeding curtailment limits can trigger steep fines. So they pad the margin and accept lost revenue instead. But most grid curtailment orders include tolerance bands allowing small excursions above the stated limit. If the order says 50 megawatts plus or minus 2 megawatts, you can reach 52 megawatts without penalty. If your internal limit is 46 megawatts, you are leaving 6 megawatts on the table. That gap can equal 12% over curtailment and significant lost revenue. Better approach: set your internal limit at the top of the tolerance band and use real-time monitoring to stay just under the limit. If tolerance is not explicit, ask the grid operator to clarify. Most are willing to provide guidance. Step 1. Review past curtailment orders and compare requested limit, actual delivered output, and any tolerance bands. Step 2. Quantify the cost over curtailment hours times megawatts times market price to get annual cost. Step 3. Request tolerance clarification from the grid operator and ask exactly how close you may operate to the stated limit. Step 4. Update dispatch logic to set internal limits at the top of tolerance and use 5-second feedback loops to adjust output. Step 5. Monitor compliance and track how close you get to the limit, targeting about 99.5% of the allowed limit. Step 6. Validate results with the grid operator monthly or quarterly to build trust and confirm acceptable performance. We have shown how conservative curtailment can create 100,000 to 300,000 euros in unnecessary losses and how to recover most of that. Your site is probably over-curtailing by 5 to 15% and losing 100,000 to 300,000 euros per year. Schedule a free curtailment optimization review and we will analyze 12 months of events. Quantify over-curtailment, clarify tolerances, and design optimized dispatch logic. Most sites recover 80,000 to 250,000 euros per year, and the first 10 operators receive an optimization playbook. A 60 megawatt site curtailed by 215,000 euros in 6 months because internal limits were set conservatively below grid orders. Safe, yes. Expensive, also yes. And now you know how to optimize curtailment response. Take action now and book your curtailment optimization review. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.